Friends, welcome to yet another new series, and this series is about the bird watching, especially water birds. Well, water birds are important part of water ecosystem, which plays a key role in maintaining ecological balance. These colorful birds add a beauty and life to the landscape. Watching colorful birds is a truly mesmerizing experience. Their vibrant feathers, graceful movements, and noise around lakes, rivers, and wetlands captivate human attention. As the birds glide over the water, swim elegantly, or take flight against the sky, they create a sense of wonder and tranquility. Painted stork, cormorants, darters, herons, kingfisher, egrets, and pelicans are some of the fascinating water birds which can be seen around water bodies in India. Let's explore the fascinating world of water birds. Painted stork is one of the striking sight in lakes and ponds. Painted stork is one of the fascinating water bird with its long yellowish bill and elegant white plumage splashed by rosy wing patches. Watching these birds helps us to connect with nature and relax the mind. It's a very large bird, about 100 centimeter height, and with striking pink feathers on wings. Painted stork live in colonies and they share their colonies with other water birds. These birds are gregarious birds, means which live, roast, feed, and travel in groups rather than alone. These birds are locally nomadic, means they move between lakes, wetland, reservoirs, rivers, depending upon water level and availability of feed. Breeding season is between November to April when water levels are high and feed supply is also plenty. Both male and female builds the nests in trees over the water, and female lays about 2 to 4 eggs which incubates in 25 to 30 days. Parents feed the chicks for about 6 to 7 weeks. After that, the chicks will start feeding on its own. Well, it's fascinating to watch a painted stork colony during the breeding season. A painted bird get its name from its beautiful and colorful appearance, which looks as if it has been painted by an artist. They mainly feed on fish, insects, crabs, and other aquatic creatures. The population of painted stork has declined in some regions due to several human induced activities and environmental factors. The main reasons for a decline of population are loss of wetlands, water pollution, decline in fish availability, and climate change. The best conservation practices includes protection and restoration of wetlands, reducing water pollution and safeguarding the nesting colonies. Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary is about 20 kilometers from Mysore and is very famous for painted stock and other birds. Yet another interesting water bird is the great egret. It's a very large white bird with a long slender neck which is in S shape. They can be seen in single or in a very small group. The legs are very long and black in color. The bill is yellowish. The bird's height is about 80 centimeters. Great egret lives nearby wetlands in river and ponds. Its main feed is fish, crabs, larvae, insects, and other aquatic creatures. Its hunting method is very peculiar. They stand still in shallow water and suddenly strike the prey with its sharp bill. The great egret breeds during monsoon and post-monsoon period. They nest in colonies very often with herons, cormorants, and ibises. They build nest in trees or shrubs, usually near water. The nest is made up of sticks lined with soft plant material. Female bird lays 3 to 5 bluish green colored eggs and chicks will come out after 25 days of incubation. Both the parents feed the chicks by regurgitating fish and other prey. Chicks remain in the nest for 25 days and they leave the nest after 6 to 7 weeks. During the breeding season, egret develops long, delicate ornamental feathers called as egrettes. Egrets are called as partners of cattle as they often follow cattle and buffaloes catching the insects. Egret are spread all over the world except Antarctica, and their population is very stable, luckily. So that's all about the episode number one. I'll be back shortly with some interesting creatures or some interesting aquatic birds in next episode very shortly. Till then, bye and thank you for watching this episode. Thank you very much.